Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering what you already have, a transcript or rough notes, and the exact video file. Open your subtitle editor, Sub or Subtitle Edit will do, then import the video and set the frame rate to match, for example 24 or 30 FPS. Once loaded, create a new caption file and paste the first 1-2 lines of text into the timeline. Make sure to enable waveform or video scrub, so you can place the first cue precisely where the audio begins. You now work through timing and text. Play a short segment and set a caption start and end that matches natural speech. Aim for 1 to 7 seconds display and never cut mid-syllable. Once done, split or merge captions to keep lines under 42 characters and 2 lines max. Make sure to add punctuation and speaker labels where helpful, because readable captions need cadence and context. When multiple speakers overlap, stagger cues or use brackets so viewers can follow who's speaking. Finally, export the captions in the format your platform needs. Use SRT for general platforms and VTT for web players. Upload and test playback on at least 2 devices, watching for sync drift and readability. If captions are early or late across the whole file, apply a uniform time shift by milliseconds or correct the frame rate. Small offsets fix most issues. If individual cues are wrong, edit those timestamps directly. Troubleshooting tip: if many cues drift gradually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.